Hi there, it's Greg King, and welcome to my video on how to advertise a successful Shopify store free on Google, plus rank #1 first page in mere minutes. Stay tuned. This could get loud. Plug your ears. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually possibly could alleviate your cost of advertising on your Shopify store. And then I'm going to share access with you on the most amazing 5-step formula that is proven. It is without a doubt something that every Shopify store owner should take advantage of. And in a moment, I'm going to share with you examples that are extraordinary, and you'll get how powerful this 5-step formula is. One of the common complaints my friends have that have Shopify stores is the tremendous cost of advertising and how Google and Bing and Facebook can actually suck in any profits made from your store back into advertising. Also, the concern is when people are looking for a certain product, and they're typically red hot buyers, they're having to go through a quagmire of similar products. Now, the question that comes up is, with this proven 5-step formula, how would it look that on the left-hand side of a Google search, you were the only one there and you didn't have any competition? Seriously. Now, I'm going to show you here a couple things, and that's how to advertise a successful Shopify store free on Google, plus rank #1 first page in just mere minutes. Now, let's face it, everyone wants to see real results, right? And you want to be in front of your competition. The idea is to be #1 and make a handsome living doing this, because Shopify is a great opportunity to make a ton of money. Now, do you want to crush it versus your competition? Want immediate results? This is not a sales pitch, but you can have immediate results. And I'm going to share with you some examples of how powerful this formula is. And you want to do it in minutes at no cost? Yeah, a lot to promise, but I can tell you this, it really does work. Now, as a regular shopper, this is how I kind of want to do things. I want to go on my slippers on Sunday morning and I have my coffee, and guess what? The wife's given me permission to buy a drone. So I go there and I look and I go to Google, which is the #1 platform, and I start searching for drones. And the drone I have is a drone for sale. Oh, let's do one with a camera. And this is typically how it looks on the first page of Google. And there'll be some blah, blah, blah on the left-hand side, and there'll be some drones on the right-hand side. And then you go a little deeper and there'll be drone, all these drones. And, you're basically fighting for, one purchase with all these people. Now, if you go back to the Google search drone with cameras, you imagine instead of being in this bucket of people that you would be #1 here all by yourself. Can you see how effective that would be for your advertising? It would be insane. So if you look below here, you see these 3 videos. People love videos. They just love videos. And this is how you can actually make it work with your store. Whether it's drones or whether it's makeup or beauty and health, it doesn't matter. It's not about the product. It's about the process. And with this 5-step process, it is unbelievable. So imagine if you were to see these 3 videos and replace them with these 3 videos. That's my mugshot. It's my mugshot. And you don't have to leave a comment in the comment zones. And if you were to actually go and look a little further and see videos that were rated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the whole page of videos, and if all those videos were you and your drone site, see how powerful that would be? So instead of having this, it would be this. And instead of being this, you could have this with this platform. Now, everyone knows that Google is the #1 platform for searches. And it's not just kickers. These are people that are hot buyers. And what they'll do is they'll go to Google and then they'll go to YouTube and look and see whether or not you are a credible, viable dealer. Now, I'm going to show you some examples of how powerful this process works and how you can get to the top of Google, top of YouTube, and in the carousel within mere minutes. Seriously. So the first one is organically posted. It hit the first page of YouTube. It ranked number one. It ranked number one on Google. It ranked number one in the carousel. And that happened all in just 16 minutes. It's unbelievable. It's not 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or a month. This is done within minutes, and it's all ranked for free. Your cost would go to zero. Number two is first page Google, first page YouTube, first in the video carousel, and that just took under 2 minutes, all ranked for free, all organic. Now the third is first on YouTube again, first on Google again, first in the carousel again. This took 9 minutes, ranked for free. Now I'm going to start sounding like a broken record, but what I wanted to show you is the consistency of how this formula works, and it works extraordinary, unbelievably well. Now, example 4, first page YouTube, first page Google, first in the carousel again, and in just 3 minutes, all ranked for free, all organic. Now, these are all different videos. This is not just one video. This is different videos all ranking immediately. Next example, organically posted, first page, first on Google, 2 minutes. Now, you can see what I'm doing is I'm knocking people out here that have been in the first search in Google for 3 years. I'm knocking them out in 2 minutes. You could knock them out in 2 minutes. That's the beauty, is anyone can do this. Example number 6 is first page YouTube, first page Google, all in 2 minutes again, bumping out people who have been doing this for 2-3 years. And these videos will stay. So it's not as though you're going to do a video and all of a sudden it's gone here today, gone this afternoon. These have staying powers if you follow the formula, the 5-step formula. Next one, this is insane how I got number 4 in 1 minute. I got number 4th ranking in 1 minute. Now, the more videos you put out, the more that Google and YouTube give you loving. And I didn't know, but when I actually looked and posted this, because I wanted to see how fast this posted, it posted number 1. Now, with the loving, they're seeing I have influence in my niche. So they're giving me a lot more loving, and they just put one of my other videos up in number 3. So I've got 50% of the page. This one, once again, in minutes I posted this. And what happened is, this is now showing after 3 and 4 weeks, is I am number 1 ranked, number 3 ranked, number 4, number 5. So 4 out of the top rankings are all me. Can you see how you could actually do this and have all the rankings be of you and your store? I mean, you would totally crush it. Oh, we just seen that. Okay, example number 9. Once again, first page. Now, this is as it matures, and you're starting to go up the algorithms, because the algorithms that Google has is extraordinary. It's very powerful. And if you play the process correctly, you can have this, where you can have page number 1, ranking number 1, ranking 2, 3, 4, 5, 100% of the first ranking. And in fact, I didn't have enough screen to screen capture this, but I had 8 of the top 9 rankings, all free, all me. It's all about me, me, me. Anyways, it could all be about you, you, you. Just being playful here. Example 10, ranking number 1 in the carousel, number 2 in the carousel, number 3 in the carousel. So once again, if you could do this and rank 1, 2, 3 for yourself, you could see how incredibly you would just rock the competition. Now, the crazy thing about this is I put it in a slightly different search, and it just came up all this. So if I was looking for drones that are 4K, if it's powerful enough, you can get that even if you're just looking for a camera. Or if you want drones under $1,000, boom, you can have this. Most of them are now. I've got a Spark, and I love it. It's awesome. But I didn't do this. I had to go to Best Buy and go directly to the store. I did go to Google, but it got overwhelmed that I didn't know where to choose, so I just went to a valued store. However, that being said, if you're on the first page and you're rocking the first page, you've got so much credibility that people aren't going to go to YouTube. To Best Buy. They're going to come to you. Now, here's another one of these carousels. And once again, a slightly different search, And once again, I got the 1, 2, 3 on it. I shake my head because Google's starting to really like me as a leader in my niche. Based on the information you've just seen, can you see how you can chop your Shopify ads by 50% to possibly 100% with this formula? Now I'm going to leave the link in the screen and also below in the comment section. Take a look at it, see if it makes sense. I promise you, this is probably one of the most revolutionary ways of advertising, and the cost of advertising is nil. If you've liked this video and found it informative, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next one.